Hey guys, I made notebook pen holders. You could always adjust the measurements to add more pens or to wrap it around a smaller notebook. First, I made my templates. I cut a piece of interfacing, ironed it onto the back of my fabric, and cut it out. I cut out another piece of fabric that was the same size but without interfacing. For the pocket, I cut a piece of fabric, folded it in half, ironed it, and sewed 1/8 of an inch from the folded edge. I aligned it with one of the pieces and sewed 1/8 of an inch from the edge to keep it in place. I sewed the bottom and one side. My elastic was 1/2 inch wide and 12.5 inch long. On the front side of the other piece of fabric, place the elastic in the middle. I left about 1/8 of an inch of elastic past the edge. I did the same to the other end. Then sewed 1/8 of an inch from the edge to keep it in place. Place the other piece on top, with the back sides facing out, and sew 3/8 of an inch around the edge. Leave an opening to turn it inside out. I left an opening on the side that had the sewn pocket. Cut around the corners so that the fabric won't bunch. Then turn it inside out. I use a crochet hook to reach the corners. Then iron it. Next, sew 1/8 of an inch around the sides. I made more. And here's how they turned out.